Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can earn with AI animation videos. So if you want to make money online, you can use AI animation tools, and here I'm going to show you how you can earn a real income using AI generated animation videos. So first, let me show you the easiest tools for beginners. You can use HeyGen AI. You can animate faces and characters using this one. You can also use Kyber, Picalabs, or Runway ML to turn text into movie-style animations, or Luma AI to create 3D animation scenes. You don't need to worry because these tools don't require any art skills. You just type what you want on the prompt box, choose a style, and the animations is ready. So first you can just write your script, short story, product explainer, or motivational scene, and after that you can generate the visuals using Kyber or Pika to create the animated scenes from your script. And after that you can use the 11 labs or again HeyGen to build the AI voice generator. And you can last one, you can edit the clips in CapCut. You can do cutscenes, add transition, music, captions, and after that you can export your video. And now here are the real ways people are making money with AI animations video. So you can just create animated niche channels such as motivation, skit short, or AI documentaries, and you can earn through ads, sponsors, or selling digital products. And you can sell the animation services on, for example, this one, Fiverr, or Upwork, or Freelancer. You can, for example, do animated promo videos or product demos or TikTok or YouTube shorts. So you can create and sell animation specs like animated backgrounds or AI characters or looping scenes. If you want to do it on TikTok and Instagram, you can post short AI animations daily. You can get views and monetize via Reels bonus, brand deals, and affiliate links. So that's how you can start earning with AI animations videos starting today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.